Welcome everyone to the December-ish edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors. So happy holidays and Merry Christmas to everybody. At the end of the year, it's been a great year if you've been in the markets, that's for sure, no doubt about it. So it's also end of the year, so that means a lot of things got to get done before the end of the year. So time to get on that. So the whiteboard of the month that I have for you is what you need to know about your spousal benefits in railroad retirement. Check out that video. Really good stuff about the spousal benefits that come towards a railroader's spouse. Those are great, really, for having a great railroad retirement. Is the spousal benefits. So check that out. Very important. Mailbag. How will my part-time contracting job affect my railroad retirement? Right. Some railroaders might be working, maybe a side hustle, something, doing something else, maybe driving a truck, whatever it is. But how does that affect your overall railroad retirement? And just to give you a hint, it's all about the Tier 1 portion of your railroad retirement. Especially check your overpayments. Checklists I have for the month is what issues to consider before the end of the year. Certain things got to get done, right? Tax loss harvesting, end of year tax planning. What else? Fund your 401k, see if you max that out. HSAs, all those things have to get done before the end of the year. So go through that checklist, make sure you have everything done at the end of the year. And then the economic chart of the month that I have is seasonality of the stock market. So, which is interesting because from Thanksgiving to April 15th is one of the best performing seasons overall in the history of the stock market, just over time. Obviously, every year is different, but if you just take it on an average, it's the highest chunk, I guess, of time that the market has performed well. So once again, railroaders, it's been a great year. It's great knowing you. Have a great holiday and a Merry Christmas. Until next month, stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.